Hey guys, we're back out in the garden again. Nice to see y'all. This week we're pretty excited about this. We were given a couple of hoses from our fans at our friends at Zero G. Um, they gave us these hoses to take a look at and give our honest review on. Maybe tell a little bit more about them to you guys. And the cool thing is we're actually going to be giving one of these away to one of you guys out on the YouTubes. So guys, we cracked one of these open, and the first thing that I noticed taking it out of the box is how light it is. I mean, compared to this one is a 50-foot hose. Compared to a regular 50-foot hose, I think it's like a quarter the size. It's just fantastic. It's made up of 5/8 inch nylon interior tubing, and then it has a fabric outer layer over it. So, I can see that this thing just slides over the grass and over the concrete, really nicely. It is pretty good. The connectors, the male and female connectors on them, is really nice. Made of aluminum, non-crush. So I guess you can maybe run over it with the car or whatever, and it won't crush them. So I mean that's pretty cool. But the fabric lining, if you're a big car washer, having a rubber hose, it'll leave a streak if you accidentally rub that across your paint. This, being the nylon, it looks like it would just glide right across it, not hurt your car at all. So let's take a look at the hose. 1 second. So as you can see, these ends are really nice, durable. Looks like that they'll last a real good long time. End of the hose, again, it's 5/8 inch, covered with this nice fabric. It doesn't look like it kinks at all. I've been fooling around with it out here in the yard. It doesn't kink up at all like a normal hose. Like I said, drags across the grass and the lawn real nice. I mean, maybe a little pricey, because I think that this one on Amazon was like $35, $40 for a 50-footer. So little steep, but it looks like it's going to last a lot longer than your typical hoses do. So it may be a case where you're not investing in one every couple of years like you would with a regular rubber hose. So if you guys have used one of these, I mean, please comment below and tell everybody what you guys think about them. But I mean, it looks like a really quality hose. Reading on the box, here's some facts that they have about it. Again, just reading it from the box, don't know if it's true or not. It says it's drinking water safe, so I don't know if that means that you can drink right out of the hose. I know that when I was a kid, it was the greatest thing to be out on a hot day and drink out of the hose, and that kind of thing. As long as you weren't the person that drank out of the hose like after it's been sitting out in the sun. Otherwise, you got that disgusting taste. They said it's lead safe. They also talk about it, having the non-marring cover, which I spoke about a little bit ago. So it looks like you can drag this thing across all kinds of surfaces, and it's not going to tear anything up. And how it the way that it's pliable, it looks like it's going to take up a lot less space than a standard hose. You know how those get monstrous and all over the place and kinked up. But I mean, let's just look at the box here. So I mean, as you can see, this is a 50-foot hose that's inside of that box. That's no better or no bigger than maybe a gallon of milk. So it's like really small. And as you can see, the hose just winds up into nothing. So it'll be interesting, once we get this, put up on our hose hook, how much space it really takes up. But it's just awesome. I know that there are some hoses out there on the market that look like that they kind of expand and contract. I don't know what they're called. This one doesn't do that. It is the length that it is, whether you're using it or not. Well, so facts that it has on the box is that it's 50% lighter weight than your typical hose. I would attest to that. I mean, to me, it feels like it's even lighter than that. Doesn't kink up, easy to maneuver, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. I mean, that's pretty cool. 5-year warranty. I mean, you can't beat that. So, I mean, good stuff, guys. So with that, here's what we're going to do. We're going to give one of these away to one of our folks that enjoys our YouTube channel. Rules are you need to be a subscriber, and you need to like this video, and you need to leave a comment below. On the comment below, be sure to tell me about what you're most excited about for this coming fall. Myself, naturally cooler weather, the garden coming back to life, the grass, taking off. It's all going to be super fun stuff.